And I think going forward with this issue kay Commodore Tariela, do you think na within the bounds of freedom of speech or expression was Commodore Tariela is doing when he put that satire sa kanyang open forum knowing that this is for foreign students na maaaring ma-pick up ng embassy ng China sa Philippines?
think he did that. That was pretty risque though. I mean, you know, he knew
True.
what I think he okay. So first of all, I want to point out that they're upset about a stupid cartoon and they want him to apologize for a stupid cartoon.
Mhm,
We had a member of the Navy get his finger cut off. Did we even hear a peep out of them for an appendage of a Navy member getting his finger cut off? May narinig ba kami sa inyo, mga Chinese
mhm.
government? Wala po kaming narinig sa inyong sorry. Kahit man lang. Wala. And for a cartoon, you want him to say sorry? I think not. No. So Tariana is the government's official UPS spokesperson. His job is to tell the truth using evidence. So when Chinese propagandists attack him, they are not just attacking a person, they're attacking our institutions and our right to speak about what happens in our own EEZ. So supporting him means we are supporting transparency, accountability, and our national dignity. I think we should back him up. I think he is within his rights to use whatever freaking cartoon he wants.
And then at saka isa din po 'no, naiisip ko parang may sense of entitlement itong mga Chinese diplomat to tell us that we need to sanction or do something with our appointed government official, especially sa military kay Commodore Tariela, para mag-sorry siya sa isang bansa. Iba ang freedom of expression, it also beholden na kung ma-trigger ka, masaktan ka sa sinabi, you can still say it, 'di ba? Kasi hindi naman niya sinabing girahin mo yung China or patayin mo yung presidente ng China. Wala naman siya sinabi. Naglabas lang siya ng isang satire and nobody even know kung itsura ng president ng China. So it doesn't make any sense para sabihin nila sa atin, we need to do something with that spokesperson. Another thing na napansin ko din po, yesterday, January 16, naglabas po ang Department of Tourism that they are giving a 14-day visa to all Chinese nationals or Chinese citizen sa Pilipinas. And the government is touting that this is for boosting tourism and this is a people to people exchange daw po. Yun ang sa kanilang statement about this. How do you how do you feel about this? Knowing that we have tension with the Chinese people, we have issues about some of the Chinese people who came in, especially the Pogo issue, yung mga sabi nila mga intel, yung sinabi ni Pampilo Lacson before na, working for the Chinese government. How do you feel about this? Is it right timing, right purpose? All of it. What do you think?
Yung 14-day, alam mo naluding ako. Hindi ko narinig yung were you asking about the yung 14-day
14-day free visa.
free visa? Um